So hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will write a program to print inverted pyramid star pattern in Python. But before starting, I want you all to let you know. So if you have not accessed this playlist, I want you all to access this playlist and start watching from the scratch to the advanced level. So first we have to declare a variable in which we will store number of rows. So here in the pattern we have 5 rows. So I will declare a variable named rows in which I have stored 5. So that's it. And then we will start a loop from rows down to 1. So I will write here for I in range starting from rows goes till 0 and step 1 back, as we have more stars in first line and then stepping left back, so printing less stars. That's why I have written here -1. And then I will write here print spaces on the left to align the star properly. So we have to write condition to print spaces. So as we have first 0 spaces and then 1 spaces and then 2 spaces, then 3 spaces and then 4 spaces. So I will write here this so that spaces gets printed correctly and then our stars also gets printed correctly. So this is the program which will print this pattern. I will explain you later. First we will run it. So let's run it. So here you can see this is the pattern which we have to print. So let's dive into the explanation. So first I have taken a variable named rows in which I have stored number of rows in the pattern. So we have 5 rows. So that's why I have stored here 5. And then I have started a loop from the rows down to 1. So starting from rows and goes till 1 as loop run by less y1. So this will go till 1. And then we will step back by 1. As first we have to print more stars and then less stars. Then we will print star into rows minus I. So this line will print spaces. So how this will working is, first rows we have 5. So in rows we have 5 and then in I at the starting we will have 5. So this 5 minus 5 will become 0 and will print 0 star for the first iteration. And then for the second iteration, I will become 4. So here rows minus 4 means 1. So this will print 1 space here. You can see. And for the third iteration, I will become 3. And then rows minus 3 means 2. So this will print spaces here. And this will goes on till the last. So we'll print spaces like this. And then I will explain you how these star gets printed. So first we have to print star. So I have written here 2 into I. So for the first iteration in rows, okay, so in I we have 5. So this will get multiplied by 2. So 2 into 5 means 10, and 1 will be subtracted from 10. So this will print 9 stars. So here you can see. And for the second iteration, I will become 4. So this will get multiplied by 2 and then minus 1. So this will print 7 stars. And then we'll print 5 stars, as this will become 3 and get multiplied by 2 will become 6 and then minus 1. So we'll print 5 stars, and same for these iterations. So let's move to explanation again. So here I have written explanation. So first, rows equals to 5 will define the height of the pattern, and the outer loop goes from 5 down to 1, and then this will increase the spaces to align the pyramid in the center. So here you can see, and then this star into this will decrease the number of stars. So first we'll print 9 stars and 7 stars and 5 stars and then 3 and then 1. So this is how it will work. So this is very important to learn how it is working. So hope this video is helpful for you. You can also check my playlist to learn more about these star patterns. Thanks for watching.